little bird, what do you hear? The clink of morning cheers, orange juice concentrate, crossword puzzles start to grade, one across, four-letter word is just not sitting. Little bird, what do you see? A picture perfect scene. Two-tone lawns are manicured. The garden's wearing a haute couture. It's hiding something. It's trying too hard, hiding something. It's trying too hard. Little bird, what can we do? A think tank, think rescue. Simon says that you're scared. Some encoded message only he would get. Quickly now, 'cause this is not how it ends. Little bird, little bird, little bird. Little bird, little bird, little bird, where have you gone?
Little Bird. That was act number 93.